Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to use Kraken Futures. First, ensure you have a verified Kraken account, as this is essential for accessing futures trading. Once logged in, locate the Futures tab, usually found in the main navigation menu. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the trading interface, which displays crucial information like the order book, price charts, and your account balance. This initial setup is quick and gets you ready to explore. To begin trading, you'll need to transfer funds from your Kraken Spot wallet to your Kraken Futures wallet. This is a simple internal transfer. Next, choose the specific futures contract you wish to trade and carefully select your desired leverage. Remember, higher leverage increases both potential gains and risks. You can then place either a market order for immediate execution or a limit order to specify your entry price. Effective risk management is crucial in futures trading. Always set stop-loss orders to automatically close your position if the market moves against you, protecting your capital. Keep a close eye on your margin usage and understand your liquidation price, which is when your position will be automatically closed. It is wise to avoid excessive leverage, perhaps sticking to 2 times or 3 times leverage initially to mitigate significant losses. Kraken Futures offers advanced order types, such as take-profit orders, which can help you secure gains automatically. Make sure to explore the platform's analytics tools and historical data to gain deeper market insights and refine your trading strategies. Remember to check the description for a link to grab some little trees, black ice, and other great deals. Continuously educate yourself on market dynamics and platform updates to enhance your trading performance and stay ahead.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.